Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are if you can read my mind, then you know that I just said if you're a returning friend, welcome back. We are here at my children's school waiting for my son to come out, and while we were waiting, Ava and I thought we would do a drive-by glossy boxing. Huh? That's right, drive-by. So we may have to pause for a moment while my son gets in the car, but we can all ask him how his day was together, and he will be very happy about it. So anyways, this is going to have to be a quicker video, so I will leave a link down below as well as all the information about Glossybox. So if you want to try your own, you can just click on the link down there and let me know what you think. Let me know if you got anything, and let me know. I don't know. I was just like on a roll there and couldn't stop talking. So it's a little uncomfortable because there is a car that for some reason decided to park directly in front of us. So I feel like they're just staring at me talking, thinking that I'm talking to them, and I'm not. But they're going to be very impressed with what's in my Glossybox too. I know it. Anyways, onto the box. This is the January 2022 Glossybox. We have the classic pink box. And let's see if we have a card. It's on the inside like it always is. I don't know what I was looking for. Here's what the box looks like on the inside. And there's really no card for this month, guys. I guess I'm not going to be able to tell you price values for things, but that's okay. Not a big deal. I'm going to set this box up here so I can put this. Alright, first things first. We have Love Your Face Bare Face Brightening Cleansing Cloths, and these are by the company Julep. Hopefully you can see those. I am going to open them and smell them just because I want to. Not necessarily scented, but they kind of have a very, very faint, fresh smell to them. Oh, we got one of these new Invisibobbles. This isn't one of the old scrunchy ones. This one's different. It's a bracelet bun tool. What the heck am I going to do with this?
They look like earrings.
Maybe they are.
Maybe they're to make the Princess Leia buns.
To make Princess Leia buns, one on each side.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. I'm going to look for pictures to see how these work, or a little video or something, and I'll see if I can insert it in this video, because I seriously have no clue. They're like hard plastic. Look at them. When they clink, that means hard plastic in Chaos Jen's world. Everyone wants to see them. Crazy. Next, we have a product by Philip Kingsley. It's called Bond Builder, and it is a split end treatment for hair. No safety seal, and it does have a really good smell, just gonna say. Next, we've got a product by Codex. This is the Brightening Serum. Here's what that package looks like. And it just has one of the pointy tip applicators. Oh, look, and we're gonna try some out. Come on, Jen. Almost smells citrusy. I think I got enough for both my hands. We're just gonna rub it in like lotion. That's how we make it work. Then we have some Daydreamer Your Dream Cleanser Come True, and this is by Bloom. So is it by Daydreamer up here, or is it by Bloom? I don't know. But it is a facial cleanser, and it has a safety seal, so no scent test for you. We're getting lots of people now. Everybody's smiling and waving because they want to get in my Glossybox. Oh, this is cool. I've never got anything like this in Glossybox before. These are moisturizing foot masks with lavender oil, and it says that they are made in Korea. How cool is that? So it looks like you put them on for 15 minutes and then take them off and rub in the remaining essence. Sweetiolas. And then last but not least, we have an After Spa Black Marble Facial Roller. I was just thinking the other day I needed to get a new one, so I guess they read my mind. Seems like that happens every month. I think it's something that I need to invest in, and then I get it in a subscription box. Wow, this has some serious weight to it. Well, here's what it looks like. I know it's kind of hard to see. I apologize. It's got the bigger roller at the top, and then a smaller roller down at the bottom. And it is really, really heavy. Very cool. Very happy to have that. Alright friends, that is everything that I got in my Glossy box for the month of January. I'm sorry I couldn't share prices. If I can find them online, I'll post them down at the bottom of the screen for each item. Let me know what your favorite product was down in the comments. I'd have to say mine were I'm really intrigued by the Invisibobble hair things. So yeah, I'm going to say those are my favorite, and I'm really looking forward to trying them out. It seems strange. They're weird. But anyways, super excited to be able to share all that with you. Thank you all so very much for watching. Brendan should be coming any minute now. I will make him say hello when he does. Here he comes, guys. The moment we've been waiting for. Here he comes. Shh. We're surprising.
I screwed up today 2 times.
Hi, Brendan.
Hi, Mom. You hear me?
I heard you say you threw up today twice.
I did, and I didn't even tell nobody because I'm cool.
You didn't tell nobody because you're too cool?
I'm too cool.
Yeah, say hi to my YouTube friends.
No.
Yeah.
You're recording.
Because we were out here doing a Glossybox unboxing, and I told them we'd videotape you coming out so that you could say hi to everybody, and you made a very grand entrance. See you later, guys. So, alright, I will let you go. Thanks for hanging around to say hi to my kiddo. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye.